Professor Tentacle wants a vortex. I've got the secret. Electromagnetic fields plus tentacle control creates impossible vortexes.
When we combine our powers,
Something incredible happens. Yes! Electromagnetic vortex forming. Electricity meets tentacle power. It's growing beyond imagination. Electrical storms inside water.
incredible. Pure scientific art.
Electromagnetic fields control water. Teamwork makes impossible science. What about multiple vortexes?
This gets insane.
Unbelievable! Multiple vortexes. A tornado symphony. Too powerful! This needs perfect teamwork.
Perfect. Beautiful vortex system.
Collaboration creates amazing science.
Wow, so beautiful.
What amazing things could you create through collaboration? Teamwork makes the impossible possible. Tell us your ideas.
Our ultimate collaboration, an electromagnetic vortex so powerful it can make objects fly. Ready for the impossible?
Miraculous. Our electromagnetic vortex collaboration is making objects float. We've defied gravity together. Our electromagnetic vortex collaboration could revolutionize water purification, energy generation, and marine research. Remember, electromagnetic and water experiments require adult supervision and proper safety equipment. Families can explore electromagnetic effects safely together. Teamwork and curiosity make the best science experiments. Find a science partner and explore together. The best discoveries happen when different talents collaborate. Share your teamwork experiments. Electric eels and dolphins collaborate using electromagnetic senses, and fish create group vortexes for efficient swimming. Imagine the future. Underwater cities powered by electromagnetic vortexes. Collaborative robots solving global problems together.
Every great discovery happens through collaboration. Find your science partner and create amazing things together.
Smash that like if this collaboration amazed you. Subscribe for more teamwork science and comment about your dream science partner. Until next time, keep collaborating. Keep exploring together.
And remember, the best science happens when great minds unite. WonderLabs out.
Wonder